On today's video, I'm going to replace the emissions canister purge solenoid or purge valve on this 2007 Ford Focus Wagon. Here's the replacement part. On this car, it is mounted on a small plastic bracket that's attached to the upper firewall or the front of the cowl on this car. And all you have to do, I'm going to try to do this one-handed, is press down on the tab on the electrical connector and pull it off. And hopefully it'll stay out of the way. And then you have these two hoses. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's this yellow tab on the top for you to push in on these quick disconnects. The larger hose on the bottom has a black quick disconnect, but you just push in on the top and you can see it spreads out the tabs on it. Then you can just pull the hose off to remove it. The bottom one's a little harder. But if it doesn't come off after you push that in and you try pulling it, it doesn't release it, keep pushing that in, give it a push, and then pull, and it should come right off. Now, removing it from the bracket, there's a little tab that sticks out. Just pull that towards you, and then slide the part off to the right. Then all you have to do, I don't know how this is going to work. Hopefully you can see this clear enough. Just slide the new one onto the bracket. Reinstall the hoses and you'll hear the connector click on. Same thing with the upper hose. Reinstall the electrical connector, and you're finished.